Hey guys, welcome to Vella Precious Garden. I'm out here in my garden getting ready to start my fall garden. Oh, the basils. The basils are looking pretty. They still holding up. In case if you don't know, I'm here in Charleston, South Carolina area. The surrounding areas. The basils are looking good. The weather's changing here, so it's really cool right now. Ooh, this one's looking a little droopy. Does it need water? Let me see. Looks a little dry. I don't know. Anyway, I'm planting. Ooh, the lima. I've been waiting forever for this to come off. It's finally coming off. Let me take it off. Good, finally. Alright, lima. I got lima. I got cucumbers. You'll see I got onion bunches. This one leaning over. It's getting its true leaf right here. They really need to be planted in the raised bed. Look at my eggplant. My eggplant just about had it. It is gone. It's completely gone. It lasted long enough though. I have 4 eggplants. I need to take them out and replace them. Oop. I'm going to put some of these seedlings in this raised bed. I'm going to prep the soil. I try to prep it every weekend, like till it. These deer, they tore up my strawberry plant, but they growing back though. I have strawberry plants here, and right here, and right here, and back there. They came and they tore it up. They ate all of it. Here goes some more. Growing. Wait a minute, what is it? Oh, this is thyme. I didn't even know. What is this? Collards. I really need to separate these. Try to wait till they get their true leaf, but ooh, that true leaf coming in. You go, girl. What is this? Bush champion. All right, I love fall gardening. The true leaves are coming. And I'm going to plant them right here in this raised bed. Right in there. How many I got growing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 32. They're going right in here. And look at the peppers. No, the jalapeno. Oh, I'm supposed to repot that. They coming out. They still surviving, but they're not going to survive for too long, though, because the weather's changing. And as it gets cooler, it's going to die. But let me go inside my greenhouse, see what's going on in there, because I got 4. Nothing yet. I need to straighten out this greenhouse. Nothing yet. See, it takes forever. I thought the broccoli was coming out, but I don't know. I guess not now. What is this? It's a shame I don't know what it... Oh, spear... Oh, yeah, they take forever to come. Spearmint. Romaine. What is up with the romaine? Is that something coming up? No. What is that? And parsley. Parsley always takes forever. Alright, so I'll keep y'all up to date on what's going on in my garden. I should clip the basils though. Should I get? Oh, yeah, I should clip them right there. I think I'm gonna water it and I'm gonna clip it. It's looking good. I'm gonna dry it and use it in my food. I'll wait till they get another set. Oh, this one got a set right here. Clip that. Alright, till next time. Thank you for visiting Bella's Precious Garden. Later.